Yo, what's up guys? Today we have the NZXT Kraken Z73. Just a quick heads up, it's just an unboxing to show you what you get inside this box, what's in here, so you know what you're working with when you actually use it to install in your computer. So yeah, this is a quick heads up. I did a unboxing on the NZXT Kraken M22, which is their cheapest, smallest cooler, 120mm. This is 360 and has a screen on it, 360mm. So yeah, I do like their products, they're pretty good. So let's get started. This thing literally has a screen on it. It can do a lot of things. It can show you like temperature. It might even be able to show a picture, I'm not sure. Oh, right. It says build the extraordinary. You see that? It says build the extraordinary. There it is. Inside here, it says Kraken Z series. And oh, trust me, this is going in an extraordinary build. So hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Don't want to dump everything out. Perfect. First we get fans. These are NZXT P series fans. They're for pressure optimized. Last one's here. They're just like some fans. I have one over there, it's open. I can turn it on for you, just to show you how it works. It's kind of obvious as the fan moves air. And here we have some mounting brackets and some mounting hardware for Intel and AMD. Yeah, I believe Intel and AMD. Intel brackets already on here. Let's see. Yep, the Intel bracket's already there with some thermal paste on the copper heat plate. Mounting hardware, like I said, and there's the screen. Connect all cables before turning on. Okay. There are actually two cables, one here, one here. And leading us to the little package of cables. So we get, obviously a USB, right? And here looks like, oh, power to the fans that power the, hold up, what kind of cable is this? I need more info. This one's a weird one. I guess I still need to connect this. Oh, this is the pump. One of them powers the pump. Another of them is SATA to connect to the power supply. There it is. That's a very nice focus my camera's doing. The camera is focusing very well this time. These are just some fans, presumably to plug in those three fans that they included. And then this one, I'm not sure where that goes. I guess I'll have to check out the manual for once. Now that's weird. Where does that one go? It's gotta be somewhere on this pump. Alright, that is interesting. It's just installing it. Where we plug in the cables. Okay, that's obvious, powering the fans. That is the pump. Oh, it's optional. Okay. That's for RGB lighting. It's optional. We don't have any of that. So yeah, I can just leave that out when I build this. Okay. I thought that looked familiar, that cable. Alright, let me go over that one more time. These are fans. We won't be using those. I have a specific hub for those that they will all link up to. This is for RGB, which we do not have. It's NZXT RGB. This is the pump tachometer. That will go to the motherboard. And this is power, which will go to a SATA port on the power supply. And this, all of it connects to here. Wait. Wrong way. All right. Connects up to the pump head like that. It can be easily disconnected before building. So yeah, that is everything connected. This is the USB. It's kind of obvious. It just plugs into a USB port. And here, let's take a look at the radiator. Where's the pump? Oh, it's built into here. Okay, I just remembered. Because the M22, the pump is actually in the radiator. Did you see? That's good. You can see through the radiator just a little bit. That means you know it's not clogged with dust or it's not bent. Like that. There's the 360 mil radiator. It says NZXT on the side. Looks very nice. It says NZXT on the other side, but we won't be seeing that during the build. I want to keep this kind of a surprise for you guys. It'll be an interesting one. So yeah, that is what you get in the box. Let's go over that again. The pump itself, the screen, that's included. Some cables to hook it up, more notably for the pump and the display. And you get mounting hardware and 3 fans. Now, I would like to show you the little setup I've made to test out computer fans. Hang on. There's a staple that fell out from something. This is basically a 120 volt to Molex 12 volt. And then I connected another adapter that powers fans. That converts Molex to fan. Basically, yeah, I hook up fans to it and test them out to see if they work. You hear that? Exactly. So this is not bad of a fan. It works, but there are better ones I have that I'm going to use for that build. It works. No RGB. Just kind of a run of the mill, 120 millimeter pressure optimized fans. So yeah, it's not great. It's not terrible. It's 4-pin, so it has PWM speed control. Yeah. Got decent airflow. You hear that? Exactly. I'm gonna power it off now. So that's kind of it for this video. You saw what you get in the box, kind of all there, you know. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.